days before we got older. Mom would get the snacks and we would get the controller. Said let's make the most of it, and I meant every word of it. This is the life we lived and loved by heart. Capri Sun, Round Table, and Mario Kart. Now I'm wishing our lives had reset buttons. It's all gone. The plans we made, the pizza we ate with everyone. But it didn't go up for nothing. I'm still waiting on that reset button. High school came in a teenage dream, but I would play the lazy song on repeat. I tried not to relate, little did I know I was bluffing. And I knew the monster in my closet was make-believe. Brewed a bit of hell and I was not deceived. But a man can dream of life having a reset button. It's all gone. Plans we made, the pizza we ate with everyone. But it didn't go up for nothing. I'm still waiting on that reset button. I'm still waiting on that reset button. Just daydream. I know that we may have just graduated years ahead, but at least not bitter people with hearts full of hate. Now that we're older and we've gone on dates, why would I wish life had a reset button? It's all gone. The plans we made, the pizza we ate with everyone. But it didn't go up for nothing. I'm still waiting on that reset button. I'm still waiting on that reset button.